Now these are pet tags, aluminum, and these are the large paws. So just to compare, first of all, the size. This is a small paw, so just to compare. So if I put it on top, you can see that it's smaller. So this is considered a small paw, and these are the large. And to compare to a toonie, so it's just a little bit bigger than a toonie. So just to see what it is. And as for the colors, we have light pink compared to the dark pink. We have green, light blue, or aqua. So this is aqua color. This is the dark blue, black, purple, silver. We got the orange here and the red. Here to compare 1, 2, or 3 lines. First of all, as the line is long, so the longer the line is, the smaller the text will be. So for example, here we got 2 lines. The text here, the first line, Topaz, has 5 letters, but here the name is longer. So you can see that the name is in smaller than this one here. So if we compare what's a 4 line, so it's very visible, 4 lines. We get 4 lines here. Here I put the name in capitals. We have a 3 line, just to compare. 3 line here. As you can see, the first line here, it's longer. That's why it cannot be written in big. So example, if I would put a name here of, I don't know, 10 characters long, then it would be the same size. It wouldn't be able to be here. So in other words, about 5, 6 letters and less, you can have the name like this. But 5, 6 letters or more, then the name would be small. So to compare here a longer name, as you can see, Blackie is written smaller to compare with Jack, which is a shorter name. You can see here the tags. Some tags have a scratch. So when there's a scratch, you can see it on my website. Here there's a little bit of paint missing. These are the 2-for-1. So when you see on my website, wherever you see a 2-for-1, it just means that there's a minor scratch or a drop of paint missing on the tag. But you can see it's very visible, and I find that they're worth it. They're very solid. If I try to break it, of course, if you have a 150-pound dog that decides to chew on the tag, yes, it might warp a little bit there, but otherwise they're very, very solid. And the back of the tag, either it's a little bit bumpy like this. I have both, so depending on what you want engraved, I'll choose whatever is more readable compared to this one, which is flatter. So these are the backs of the tag. It depends what I have in stock and what's available. And that's it. This is for the large paws.